Today we'll see that how we can fill the form for the Binghamton University for the graduate program. So first click on create an account, then enter the email address. Email address, first name and the last name. What happens, some people don't have their last name, so in that case they can put their first name only in place of last name. Then enter your date of birth and click on continue. Now enter the temporary PIN you must have received on the email address. And then select your birth date again and click on continue. Now you need to set the password, so your password must contain at least one letter, one capital letter, one number, and it must be of 12 characters. Then click on start new application, create application and open application. Now choose the prefix, enter your preferred name and the last name. Select the country of your permanent address, enter the full address. If mailing address is same as permanent, you can click on this. Have you resided at your permanent address for more than 1 year? So select accordingly. Are you a New York State resident? Select accordingly. Do you have a New York State driver license? No. Then enter the phone number and always add the number by adding +91 in the starting. Select the legal sex, your birth region, native language, country of primary citizenship. If you have dual citizenship, you can select or else leave it blank and continue. Now select the category of study, arts and sciences, program of study, which is physics PhD, semester fall 2024. List your specific research or performance interest here and then enter the name of the faculty member whom you are interested in working and then click on continue. Here you need to add the details of your BSc as well as MSc. So click on add institution, enter the name of the institution, select the month and the year when you have started this program, month and the year when you have completed it, level of study undergraduate, degree Bachelor's of Science, month and the year when you have received the degree, enter the major of your degree, GPA on the scale of 10, and then upload the BSc transcript. Then click on save. Again click on add institution, enter the name of the institution, month and the year when you have started this program, month and the year when you have completed it, level of study master's level, degree Master of Science, expected date of the degree, major of your degree, GPA you have obtained on the scale of 10 and then upload your MSc transcript. And then click on save and continue. Now here you need to upload your CV. Then click on continue. Again, continue. Here you need to upload the personal statement. So check the requirements, what you need to add in this statement, and after adding, just upload it here and continue. Again, continue. Read the instructions about the official test scores and after that click on continue. Now here you need to add the recommendations. So check your program requirements at how many recommendations are needed and then you can add accordingly. So click on add recommender. Select the prefix, enter the first name, last name, organization, position or title, relationship, telephone number, email address. In this, always choose I waive my right to access this report because your reports should directly send to the university, not to someone else. Then enter your full name and click on send to recommender. Again, click on add recommender. Choose the prefix. Enter the first name, last name, organization, position or title, relationship, telephone, email address, and again choose I waive my right to access this report. Enter your full name and click on send to recommender. Again click on add recommender, select the prefix, enter the first name, last name, organization, position or title, relationship, telephone number, email address. Then choose I waive my right to access this report. Enter your full name and send to recommender. Can click on continue. Which visa type do you currently hold? So F1 student. Enter the visa expiration date. Do you have a passport? Yes. So if you click on yes, then you need to upload the copy of your passport. Do you plan to bring any dependents with you? So you can select accordingly. If you have the financial documents as of now, you can select I would like to submit with my application, and if you don't have, then you can select I'm not able to submit. And then after that, click on continue. How did you hear about the graduate program? So select accordingly. Have you been dismissed or suspended for academic reasons? No. Have you been suspended from a college for disciplinary reasons? No. And then click on continue. Now here you need to enter your full name in place of the signature and click on confirm. If you are satisfied with your application, click on submit application. And yes, your application is submitted.